Good morning student, how are you? In this video, we are going to discuss the reaction mechanism of acid catalyst hydration of alkene to form alcohol. So, overall reaction for that acid catalyst hydration of alkene to form alcohol. Acid catalyst hydration of alkene to form alcohol. So first of all, you should write the overall reaction. Here I am writing the overall reaction or overall equation, you can say. That is general equations. You may ask the specific also. So what is the general overall equation? Alkene. Since it is hydration, see, hydration means addition of water. So this is a reversible reaction. Acid catalyst. Therefore, we should show the acid catalyst here. Then alcohol is the product. So here it is alcohol. This is alkene. So my dear student, this reaction mechanism takes place in 3 steps. What is the step 1? Step 1 is protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. So step 1 is protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. So first of all, we have to show the formation of hydronium ion. Here, water is a loose base. It will take a proton because it is an acid catalyst. Here it will take a proton to form hydronium ion. This is hydronium ion. Now, this hydronium ion will attack the alkene. Next, alkene will be attacked by hydronium ion. This is the hydronium ion to form carbocation. Okay. Exactly what happened here? Let us discuss. My dear student, here one important electron displacement taking place. What is that? Plus E effect. Plus E effect. So first you should know what is actually plus E effect. Alright? Plus E effect, that is basically E. E means electromagnetic effect. What is electromagnetic effect? Electromagnetic effect is the transfer of pi electrons of multiple bond in presence of attacking reagent. Okay, there are different type of electron displacement effect you learn in class 11. Inductive effect, resonance effect, electromagnetic effect, hyperconjugation. Okay, So electromagnetic effect is nothing but transfer of pi electrons of a multiple bond in presence of attacking reagent. So E effect, that is electromagnetic effect, maybe just let us recapitulate what is actually plus E and minus E. Plus E and minus E. So what is the difference between plus E effect and minus E effect? In plus E effect, transfer of pi electrons will take place to that carbon atom to which attacking reagent attach. Suppose if attacking reagent will attach here, movement of pi electron, transfer of pi electrons will take place to this carbon. Alright, then what is the result? Here, this is H, and here you see, since deficiency of electron will take place in this particular carbon, so it is positive charge here in this carbon. And attacking reagent H plus attaches here. Now it will be opposite then. Suppose if attacking reagent attaches to this carbon, then pi electron movement will take place towards this. Alright? Then what will happen here? This time? Sorry. This time positive charge will be there. Electron deficiency will occur in this carbon because pi electron movement taking place towards this attacking reagent. So what is basically the plus E effect? In this effect, pi electron transfer take place to that atom to which attacking reagent attach. Alright? But minus E effect is just opposite. In case of minus E effect, see here, here the transfer of pi electron take place to that atom to which attacking reagent does not attach this. Pi electron transfer taking place to this. So this carbon attacking reagent will not attach. Attacking reagent will attach here. This is minus E. Could you follow what I am telling? Plus E and minus E, but in this particular mechanism here the plus E effect is taking place. You can remember like this, this is a militant, this is attacking reagent, he is attacking. Then this pi electron is taking the positive attitude towards the enemy. He is attacking, so immediately we defend. Understood? Pi electron is taking the positive attitude, that is plus E. Here this pi electron is taking negative. He is attacking here. Pi electron is running away. Pi electron is running away. Attacking reagent attacks, pi electron is running away. This is negative. Like that you can remember. This is the trick. Here pi electron takes positive approach towards the enemy. Here pi electron takes negative approach towards the enemy. So plus C, minus C. Clear? Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Now this part. This is just I explained, this is not a part of this mechanism. Just you need to understand what is actually plus E and minus. Now, so my dear student, here plus E effect is taking place. Okay? So, plus E effect you see here, it is simply in the book it is shown like that. But actually, what is happening? See, in hydronium ion, oxygen is highly electronegative and here one positive charge is there. It is why these oxygen hydrogen bonds are very weak. Means it can release proton. This electron will be transferred to oxygen. Oxygen will have a high tendency to pull the electron pairs, shared pair of electron pairs. As a result, proton will get released. This proton will get released because this electron will pull towards oxygen. Yes. So exactly now, how the Plasse effect take place here? You see, just now I showed. These pi electrons will move towards this. That is why H plus will attach it, because this is a Plasse effect. Plasse effect means what? Transfer of pi electron takes place to that atom to which attacking reagent attached. Clear? Here you see result. This is H, and this carbon become electron deficient. That is why it becomes positive charge. Okay, this is a carbocation. Clear? Now, after using proton, it becomes what? Water. Here, this is water. You see, H2O. Again, water get released here. This is a carbocation. Okay. So this part is the Plasse effect. First step over. Now step 2. Step 2. Step 2 is very easy. What is step 2? Step 2 is the nucleophilic attack. Again, water is a nucleophile, we know. It is a Lewis base, or you can say it is a nucleophile. Nucleophilic attack of carbocation. Carbocation, again you got a carbocation. So, here it is. This is a carbocation. This time, water is nucleophile. So nucleophile will attack on this carbocation. Nucleophilic attack. So here we will write the sentence: nucleophilic attack of carbocation. Yes. What will form? This is. You can write this side also. Okay, I am writing here. It is this side. See. Again here, after attacking the water, here was positive charge will develop. Clear? This is the intermediate product. So step 3, what will happen? From this intermediate product, deprotonation will take place to form alcohol. So here, deprotonation. So like this. Yes. Plus now here hydrogen is already here. It is again yes. This from this product, water will take a proton. Water will take back the proton to form the hydronium ion. Hydronium ion will be regenerated because this is a acid catalyst hydration. Here you can show like this. This proton will be taken back. This pi electrons will not pi electron. This electron, sigma electron. This is will move towards this oxygen. This will take back the proton, and as a result, what will form? Alcohol will form. We can show this OH here. Yes, this is alcohol, and when water again will take back the proton to form the hydronium ion. Yes, this is hydronium. Hydronium ion is regenerated. That is why it is a acid catalyst hydrations. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. So review again all the steps. The first step, first of all, is overall equations. Step 1 is the protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. So hydronium ion is electrophile which is formed by the addition of proton by water. Water will take the proton to form hydronium ion. Okay. Next, this is a continuation of the step 1. Here this electron displacement effect, class E effect is taking place. Already I have explained. To form the carbocation. This is the carbocation. Step 2 is what? Nucleophilic attack on carbocation by water. Water is nucleophile. So nucleophile, this is a nucleophile, this is a carbocation. Nucleophilic attack on carbocation taking place to form the another intermediate. And step 3 is what? Deprotonation of this intermediate product. Deprotonation means what? Here one proton getting released. Deprotonation. D means leaving. Small d. Okay. Elimination. D means small d is always deprotonation. This is deprotonation. D means elimination of proton in presence of nucleophile to form the alcohol. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.